Hey everybody, it's Jim with another 790 Adventure conversion S to R explanation. Here is my high mount fender and fork guards that are from the R model 790 Adventure, and I'm going to put it on this S model. It's actually been really easy so far. The only thing that holds this front fender on is a couple of fasteners here and here, and then this one here on either side. They're Torx head screws. And once you get that one out, well, there's not much stopping you from taking it off. Ta-da! And you're left with this very weird looking bike. Now, this high mount fender, you can see the fastener holes here. They do come with the new kit, or you can just come here and undo that one, that one, that one, and that one, and install your new high fender. And then you're well on your way to creating an SR adventure.